When we originally came out with our forward set Sear and trigger kit, the goal was to reduce the overall trigger travel and try to mimic the 1911. With our new flat face forward set kit, we went one step further. We're trying to improve the performance by giving you more mechanical advantage and also try to find a more ergonomic position for the trigger finger.
The new flat face trigger is all about responsiveness. Like all products designed at Apex, this is a performance-driven design. Depending on the springs installed, our new flat face forward set trigger can have a trigger pull between 2 pounds and 5 pounds, making this kit ideal for competition, recreation, or self-defense applications.
So what the shooter should experience with the new flat face trigger is enhanced performance, a very short reset, and very responsive trigger.
The single most important interface between the shooter and pistol is the trigger. If you're running the factory M&P trigger, you will find the difference between our trigger and the factory is night and day.
The flat face, rather than the curved surface, allows you to experience the trigger pull much more reminiscent of the 1911.
If you're a competitive shooter seeking that speed advantage, this is the trigger for you. You will experience a whole new level of performance with our new flat face trigger design.
For those interested in personal defense or carry, the flat face forward set will provide a trigger pull in the range of 4 to 5 pounds, which has been the accepted norm.
The evolution of the human hand is what dictated our final design for this trigger. The trigger was designed around the shooter, not the gun itself. Just like our other triggers, this trigger has a center-mounted pivoting safety to maintain factory safety values.
We've already seen SWAT teams from around the country embrace our forward set trigger. Now with our flat face forward set trigger, they now have the opportunity to experience a trigger on a whole different level, more responsive, quicker to react, and enhanced characteristics.